All right, my people. It's Civic Space once again. We are here with this young lad. What's your name?
My name is Samson.
Samson. All right. What class are you?
SS2.
SS2. So, he's here to answer our quiz questions. All right. There are about 10 questions here that you choose randomly from. You choose randomly 10 questions from this place. You're going to answer just 5 questions. So, depending on how much you are able to. Each question is 1,000 naira. Each question's 1,000 naira. So the more you win, the more you answer correctly, the more you win. Essentially, right? Do you understand? So choose from number 1 to number 10. Number 2. What is the common consequence of income inequality in Nigeria? What is the common consequences of income inequality in Nigeria? A. Increased economic growth, improved healthcare, social unrest. What is the common consequences of income inequality in Nigeria? Do you know what income inequality in Nigeria is?
Income is when something that you think that is going to come inside the things that come inside from, like, let me say money too is like when you work for something, just like that, something like income.
Okay. So income inequality in Nigeria, what does it cause? Increased economic growth, improved healthcare, or social unrest?
I don't know how to.
Increased economic growth. No. What is the common consequence of income inequality? The answer is social unrest. C.
Income inequality is the uneven distribution of income and wealth across a population. Example: Nigerian senator 22 million naira monthly, Nigerian doctor 250,000 naira monthly.
Number
5.
Number 5 says the Occupy Nigeria protests 2012 primarily protested against what? A. Poor infrastructure. B. Removal of petrol subsidy. C. Police brutality. Let me come back again. The Occupy Nigeria protest that happened in 2012 primarily protested against what? Number 1, A. Poor infrastructure. B. Removal of petrol subsidy. C. Police brutality.
A.
The Occupy Nigeria protest 2012 were a series of nationwide demonstrations sparked by the government's decision to remove fuel subsidies, which caused fuel prices to more than double overnight. The current president was a major participant of that protest, only to assume office to implement what he fought against.
So you have answered 2 questions now and you have gotten it wrong. So you have 3 more to choose from. Number 1, right?
Will you keep quiet?
What is the major factor contributing to poverty in Nigeria? Come here. What is the major factor contributing to poverty in Nigeria? A. Lack of natural resources. B. Corruption and poor governance. C. Overpopulation. Let me read that to you again. What is the major factor contributing to poverty in Nigeria? A. Lack of natural resources. B. Corruption and poor governance. C. Overpopulation.
Corruption and poor governance.
Corruption and poor governance. Are you sure?
Yes.
Say it again.
Corruption and poor governance.
That is correct. That's correct. So you won yourself 1,000 naira. All right. So number 8. Yeah, come here. So number 8 says, what is corruption in the Nigerian context? A. Transparent use of public funds. B. Fair distribution of wealth. C. Abuse of power for personal gain. The question again: what is corruption in the Nigerian context? What is corruption in the Nigerian context? A. transparent use of public funds. B, fair distribution of wealth. C, abuse of power for personal gain.
C, abuse of power for personal gain.
Are you sure? Final answer.
Yes.
You've won yourself 2,000 naira.
Number 10.
Number 10. Okay, let me see. Have we got number 10? The term looting in Nigeria refers to option A, borrowing money illegally. Option A. Option B, stealing public funds. Option C, investing in public funds. Let me repeat the question again. The term looting in Nigeria refers to... Okay.
What's the meaning of looting?
That is what the question is asking you. What is the meaning of looting? The term looting, all right, in Nigeria refers to option A, borrowing money illegally. Option B, stealing public funds. Option C, investing in public fund.
B.
Stealing public fund. Are you sure? What do you call it again?
Stealing public funds.
That is correct. So you have won yourself 3,000 naira in our quiz competition today. So, but what have you learned in today's quiz competition from the question that you have been able to answer? What have you learned?
To be sincere, all what you asked me, like, I'm not thinking of it before. I'm not heard about these questions before. It was my first time about even seeing something like
so
this.
From today's quiz competition, you've been able to learn a thing or two when it comes to looting, when it comes to what injustice is in Nigeria, and what corruption is in the Nigerian context. All right, you've been able to learn all of things. So congratulations, you've won yourself 3,000 naira. So let me count it for you now. Is it complete?
Yes, sir.
How much is that?
3,000 naira.
How much?
3,000 naira.
Thank you for joining us today. All right, this is our first winner for today. He has answered 3 questions out of our 5 questions. What's your name again? Samson. Thank you so much. All right, I would like you to read what I just gave you now. I gave you a sticker. So read it to the camera and promise the audience that you are going to put the sticker somewhere that people can see it. All right, can you read it?
Politicians that destroyed our past cannot guarantee our future.
Again?
Politicians that destroyed our past cannot guarantee our future.
What is this?
AAC, African Action Congress.
Yeah, African Action Congress. That's one of the political platforms that is concerned about the people of Nigeria and it's concerned about the future of you and the future of everybody. Right, that is fighting for the oppressed class in Nigeria. So you're going to promise us that you're going to put a sticker. It's a sticker. You're going to stick it maybe in your house, somewhere that people can see it. All right, that is one thing that you want to do for us on this platform. Are you going to promise us to do that?
Yes, I promise. I'm going to.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.